You got rice ball.
It's like a rice ball too. But if I
You
want
said it's not like a rice ball,
if I
huh?
wanted some rice, I would have run over there and got it.
My little fries over here. You know, right.
Well, it's the
Next is the panda.
But the same. It's the same. It's the same. It's the same. So yes.
You got more flavor on it.
Oh, but I think I'm good.
I need more flavor.
You gave me the black part.
That's purple. That's all of them. That's purple, not black.
Well, I think it's the white.
No! What are you doing?
What's in the white? You don't just gonna give me this right here is venom. You don't just give me venom by itself. I need some in the white part. It's not going. No, mom, okay.
Yay!